We stand for the optimization of our customers' intralogistic processes in warehouses using SAP software. We've been doing this for more than 20 years. Today, we are here in Bischofsheim at Freudenberg Sealing Technologies' new distribution center operated by Stütte. This central warehouse is extremely important to Freudenberg. We supply customers in Europe and around the world from here, and we generate a truly significant share of our revenue from this central warehouse. We are very proud to be here with our partners today and to show you what we've done. Freudenberg Sealing Technologies is the worldwide market leader in sealing technology and has global expertise in the field. We also have certain competencies even on my own team, in logistics and warehousing. But for projects of this magnitude, of this scope, we need partners to reinforce us, first of all in volume, in quantity, but we especially need partners who are innovative, who have an eye for innovations and new trends in the market. To us, partnership means that we deal with one another on the same footing, that we are equals in the partnership. For our IT partner, we very deliberately sought a company that is not too large, not one of the big five, but it is not too small either. Yet it still had to have the substantial size needed to support us worldwide and offer specialization in warehousing, logistics, and especially SAP EWM, of course. And that is exactly what we found in LogiPlus. This was not our first joint project with Freudenberg. In the United States, we already successfully implemented a project with SAP EWM. We enjoyed this project very much. The chemistry between everyone involved was right. We were on the same professional footing with Freudenberg and all project employees across all the departments, from IT to the operating departments, to all the co-workers on the floor, including the people from Stütte. It was all very pleasant, and our employees were very happy to be at the warehouse in Bischofsheim and doing interesting work every day. On this project, LogiPlus was responsible for the design and implementation of intralogistical processes in SAP EWM. In the US, we had already generated a Freudenberg-specific SAP EWM template based on our LP PoweredEWM template. On this foundation, we integrated innovations into the template at the site. The innovations and experiences from the Bischofsheim project have now been successfully introduced in France as part of a new project with Freudenberg. One innovation at this location is the use of data glasses in a pick-by-vision process. We were able to connect the client directly to SAP, which leads to faster and more effective picking. So-called automated guided vehicles are being used here at Bischofsheim. For one thing, they operate in an area of narrow aisles, yet they are still able to move pallets from point A to point B on the floor. We integrated them directly in SAP EWM. They are controlled from there. They can be directed with complete transparency and used flexibly. LogiPlus puts a great deal of value on the optimal interaction between people and the PC. This is especially evident in the packaging dialogue at Freudenberg, which we specifically developed to meet its needs. The employee is led step by step and is given the precise information for each work step, so he knows exactly what packaging aids he needs and what quantity and material must be packed inside. It is all very error-tolerant and intuitive. In its SAP EWM IT projects, LogiPlus always pays special attention to the people working in the warehouse, so it is very important to make all work dialogues and mobile dialogues very easy and intuitive, so the user can concentrate on the important work, namely picking, packaging, etc., intuitively and with guidance from the system. First and foremost, LogiPlus always has the objective of thoroughly satisfying our customers. That means a 100% solution. Optimized processes from design to implementation, all the way to startup. In any project of this kind, there are stressful stages, of course. Especially in the ramp-up phase, Freudenberg was able to count on us. We've supported every department at the site with our entire team until we reached the point that we could transition to regular operation. Here, I would like to sincerely thank the entire LogiPlus staff for their commitment, and especially for the great cooperation between Stütte, Freudenberg, all the departments, as well as the new employees at this location, on the shop floor, from the forklift drivers to the custodians. They have supported everyone, even in stressful times. This showed it is very important to cooperate in the spirit of partnership, where everyone knows what's at stake. the goal we are pursuing, and everyone is dependable. That is why we are particularly pleased, especially LogiPlus and I, that we were just given the go-ahead to launch a follow-up project with Freudenberg in Italy.